YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I was doing the unboxing for Trendmood. Let's hope that YouTube choose that as the thumbnail. I also drink 8 ounces of water. Just like that, out of my solo cup. Then I start showing you the products. So, and I showed y'all these pads, which are zit pads, okay, for pimples, okay. And my nails are still going strong. I'm starting to see some, build up there. Look, this is this hand. This nail right here is constantly chipping and breaking. Okay. Thumb. So those of y'all who would like to see my nails tutorial, I already have it. I'm tired because I just got home. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 wipes. Okay. So if you have a pimple or zit, you just wipe it with one of these pads here, and then you take one of the applications, which we have 4. See, that's the front, that's the back, and apply it. Okay, then let me come in. I showed y'all this lipstick from Thrive, and then I turn the box this way so y'all can see it says Thrive. It's in shade Jessica right there, and this is it on my lips, but we just gonna pretend that it's not. I'm not gonna wipe it off. And then I was showing y'all the beautiful packaging. It says Thrive, okay, on the beautiful packaging. It's nice and weighted and heavy. And then that's one side says TC, and then here's the side right here that says Jessica, and you push it. Oh, I'm sorry. You push it. It comes out. Now, look at those 2 lips. Real pretty. So the first video that I had to delete is more of a red base, orangey. It popped right out of the container and right into the box upright. Okay, we're just gonna pretend that it's more of a red orangey base, and I love it. So pretty, that color. In fact, my next manicure was going to be Zoya, and it's going to be a color kind of like this but more blue. This right here has more green. Okay, the one I'm going to use has more blue. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Scope. I opened this box. I took it out. Ooh, pretty. Look, Anastasia Beverly Hills, so classy. Not too much, grown and sexy, right? Then I did my hair over like this. I took my eyeglasses off. I said, don't do it, girl, don't do it. You're going to try to put your mascara on with no glasses, no contacts on. Don't do it, because I don't know how to do mascara, and mascara is not my thing. And then I showed y'all the wand. This is a nice wand for little bitty lashes like mine. It smells like mascara, and you can kind of see my lashes now because I actually put some of the product on that eye. It's the only thing I don't like about long hair is it gets in the way. And y'all see the darkness around my eyes, the high pigmentation area. Y'all can see that. I didn't stick myself in the eye, but I just, and then let's do these little bit of lashes. Just when it touches, you can feel it, you know? And it gives you the sensation that, oops. Okay, and so then I put the mascara back in here. Okay. But I think if you apply more than one coat of mascara to these little itty bitty lashes, it may so it helped just a itty bit. But okay, I'll wear it. Not probably. The next thing that's in his box is, okay, RMS Beauty blush. And what, because I don't buy blush. Okay. Mai Tai. I'm pretty sure that's the name of it. Right there. It says Mai Tai. And let's see how to open it. I go to work tomorrow. I took a day off, the holiday and the day after. I normally do that because they let us work 6 hours the day before the holiday. If it falls like Friday, they let us work 6 hours, and then we had Saturday, Sunday, Monday off, and then I took today off, Tuesday. So Mai Tai, this is more of like a peachy coral blush. Now y'all know your girl don't wear no blush, but let's touch it. Ooh, it's nice and soft. Got a little shimmer. Hold on. This going straight on my eyes. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, because this not gonna show up on me. And then by the time, I like the packaging. I don't know what this little divot is in here for, but all the additional information is on it. It's nice.